What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be another vlog. I haven't done a vlog in ages. I think this is like the 6th or 7th one. I have to check just in case. But before I check, I need to show you something, okay? Okay. So guys, do you know this video? Wedgie Challenge Extreme. It's on 56 likes. And now I need 44 more and then I'll actually do the Wedgie Challenge. I actually don't want to do it, I'm not even joking, but if I have to, I have to, okay? Try to scare her. Let's go find Eric, guys. What the hell are you doing, Eric? You ready to see this? Look, he normally goes there. First time he's ever here. What the hell are you doing? Hello, boy. Alright. Having a nice time. Look, he's watching a game somehow. Okay, guys. Hello. I'm really bored. I don't know what to vlog today. So yeah, if you see this, I don't know what to vlog. Okay guys, today we are going to be doing, let me just shut the door. Today I am going to be making a breakfast. We're going to make some insane stuff. Let's go. Already went to the wrong thing. No. There's another one. Yeah. Oh, down there. This one's only got one in there. Hello. My sister is trying to correct me, even though I'm right. Guys. Put in the toaster. Guys, can I tell you something? Right, okay. What are you doing? Nothing. Okay, Lily. What do you think this vlog should be called? It's a vlog. See this dairy milk's up there. What, you can't get them? So I don't care. Look at my little sister just searching. Are you serious? Yeah. Look what she's got. Wait, let me show them. Look what she's got. Organic. Tastes like the mango. Mum, if you're watching this, organic. It tastes like the mango one, so. Why it's organic? I don't care. Organic. At least it's juice. I've already said like organic in this video like 20 times. Organic. At least it's juice. Yeah, but I'm joking. Okay, I need to get stuff ready, guys. So while Lily is trying to open this. Actually, if I put this in the video might get turned down. So I'm not gonna put that in the video. So okay, excuse me. Just use the butter though. Still could get shut down. Hey, now put that back. Okay, guys, I need to get some. See that attitude, my little sister. I don't know why, but my mum is starting to get mustard yellow. It's kind of weird. Literally, mustard yellow all over the place. It was the pillows for the sofa. So. I just hurt myself. Can you please? Wait. Ah! Don't do that. That makes me feel weird, so don't do that. I want to zoom in on your face. Guys, can I tell you my Roblox name? No. Why? Okay, you can say your YouTube channel name though. No. You want to say our Roblox name? Can I tell you guys? Leave this game first. Oh, Eric's waiting at the door. I'll show you my Roblox name, guys.
just write it down on a piece of paper first.
No. Stay there, yeah. And then write it down.
Sharpie. Rip a piece of paper.
Oh, that actually scared.
Yeah, no, today when I was having one, it scared the life out of me. I was rubbing my eyes.
Gonna get copyrighted. Yeah, that's kind of big letter still. Still. That's insane.
Wait. R.
Subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know, but subscribe. Okay, guys, I'm going to blur this out just in case. Oh wait, just in case, you know, YouTube don't allow this on YouTube. You shut up first.
Lily Rose Akbari.
But no spaces, no
No
spaces.
spaces.
Because you've got no friends.
No, I've got 174.
I didn't hurt myself, it's just that it's hot. And it's really hot. Still, it's so hot. So guys, now I am cutting my pita bread. That's what it's called. It's not Joseph's bread, it's Peter's. And it is pretty hot, so I am being careful. When you're doing this, be careful with the knife, guys. Even if you're not even doing this, be careful with the knife. That's right next to you. Did you just look right next to you? Did you just go? Guys, oh my god, guys, there's something behind you. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, there's something behind you. You just looked behind you. There's something behind you. Okay, I need to stop playing games. Like the video if I got you. Or I scared you. Because I must have scared someone out there. Like when someone does that to me on a video, I get scared. I'm just like... I just do it slowly. So hot! Like me. I'm joking, I'm not like that. That is absolutely the most worst thing I've ever said in the world. So guys, now you get the Nutella. If you got a nut allergy, don't use this because you don't want to know. Okay, so there's no more Nutella. I'm joking. And then you get a spoon out. You get the Nutella out. Spoon. And you go scoop. You scoop. You scoop that up. And okay, please do not ask why I cut it like this. Because I am the best cutter in the world. So please do not ask, okay? Okay? Don't ask. Okay.
Scared me.
Put that in the sink. You close the beautiful pita bread. I think you could do this with any bread, I'm not gonna lie. You go to the microwave. Put this in there. Put it for up to 30 to a minute long. No, 30 seconds to a minute long. Because basically I'm just making the Nutella milk.
Yummy. Oh my god. Do you like how I look now?
Yeah.
Guys, this is how I look at Roblox. That's me with brown hair and the red.
then it's melted, and then you munch, 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 and eat your breakfast, guys. And now you can just sit down. You could just sit down, eat your breakfast, and watch a video. So I'll be right back when I finish my breakfast. So this brings it to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and enjoy my other videos. And peace out.